Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoVision, where we bring you the best builds, the loudest exhausts, and the meanest machines on the road. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a mighty C6 Corvette build that takes American performance to the next level. If you love Corvettes, horsepower, and insane mods, you're in for a treat. The C6 Corvette is already an icon, but when you start modifying one, things get serious. This build isn't just about making the car look good, it's about pure performance, power, and turning this beast into something that dominates on the street and the track. From the engine to the suspension, every detail has been fine-tuned for maximum impact. Let's start under the hood, where the real magic happens. The LS engine platform is legendary for a reason. It's reliable, powerful, and takes mods like a champ. This C6 build is rocking a built LS3, pushing way past its stock numbers. We're talking forged internals, a high-lift cam, upgraded injectors, and a ported intake to help this thing breathe better. And, of course, a proper tune to extract every bit of power. The result, a monster that puts down serious horsepower, ready to gap just about anything that lines up next to it. But we didn't stop there. What's power without boost? Slapping on a supercharger or a twin-turbo setup takes things to the next level. In this case, we've got a high-boost centrifugal supercharger that delivers insane power while keeping the throttle response sharp. The moment you step on the gas, this thing pulls like a freight train, pinning you to the seat with that unmistakable whine. And if that wasn't enough, we've got an upgraded cooling system to keep things running smooth, even under high boost. Now, let's talk about the sound. A proper build needs an exhaust that matches its personality. This C6 is rocking a full custom exhaust setup, long tube headers, high-flow X-pipe, and a straight-piped titanium exhaust that makes it scream. The cold starts are loud enough to wake the entire neighborhood, and when you hit redline, it sounds like an absolute race car. This isn't just noise, it's raw, unfiltered American muscle at its finest. Of course, all that power needs to be put down properly. That's where the drivetrain and suspension upgrades come in. A reinforced transmission with a short throw shifter makes sure every gear change is lightning fast. The rear end has been upgraded with stronger axles and a limited slip differential to handle the extra power without braking. And when it comes to grip, a set of wide, sticky tires wrapped around lightweight forged wheels ensures this C6 stays planted, whether launching off the line or carving through corners. Speaking of handling, this build isn't just about straight line speed. The suspension has been overhauled with COI levers, adjustable sway bars, and upgraded bushings, making sure it handles just as well as it accelerates. The C6 already has a great chassis, but with these upgrades, it feels razor sharp, ready for track days, canyon runs, or just dominating the streets. And let's not forget the looks. A beast like this deserves an exterior that matches its performance. A widebody kit gives it an aggressive stance, with functional aero that isn't just for show. A carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and a massive rear wing keep it stable at high speeds. And then there's the paint, a custom wrap that makes sure this Corvette turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, it's all about the driver. Racing seats with harnesses keep you locked in during hard pulls, a digital dash gives real-time performance data, and a roll cage adds extra safety while giving it that race-ready feel. Every detail has been carefully chosen to enhance the driving experience, making it clear this is no ordinary C6. So, what's it like to drive? In one word, brutal. The moment you get behind the wheel, you can feel the power waiting to be unleashed. Tap the throttle, and it jumps forward with instant response. Full throttle, you're in for the ride of your life. The boosted LS3 delivers relentless acceleration, the tires grip hard, and the exhaust note fills the air with pure aggression. Whether on the highway or the drag strip, this C6 is built to dominate. This build is a perfect example of why the C6 Corvette is still one of the best platforms for high-performance modifications. It's lightweight, it's got a legendary engine, and with the right mods, it can take down cars that cost twice as much. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. What do you think of this insane C6 build? Would you go supercharged or twin turbo? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high horsepower builds like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoVision. We've got plenty more insane builds coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep driving, keep building, and stay fast.